Hello and welcome to everyone. My name is Zishan and I will be your instructor during this course. In this course we will cover everything that make an e-commerce website beautiful and successful. But before we start this course, I would like to tell you some important things here. So the first thing is that if you have any question during this course, you can feel free to ask me. I will be very happy to help you. And then the next thing is that if you are building your e-commerce site, so first of all completely watch all the lectures of this course and then start building your site. And the reason I am telling you this is because I have created this course in different sections, and in each section we will be discussing a specific part of this course. Like here you can see the second section is about adding products into our site, while in the fifth section we will discuss SEO for our site. And you will need to know SEO before you start adding products into your site. In the same way, in the designing section we will do a bit of customization, while we will discuss customization in detail in the last section, that how you can do customization in your site without the worries of losing your changes. So this is why I am telling you to start building your site once after you watch completely all the lectures and videos of this course. So from the next lecture we will start creating an e-commerce website.
Now, for building any type of website, you need two things. The first thing is a domain name for your website, and the second thing is a web hosting account for your website. Domain name means the address of your website, for example www.yourwebsitename.com, and web hosting is a service that allow you to bring your website live on the internet. For example, if you design your website so nobody can view your website on the internet until you host your website with a web hosting provider. And after you host your website with a hosting provider, then anyone can visit your website by typing the web address of your website in their browser. For example, if someone will type www.yourwebsitename.com, so they will land on your website if your website is hosted with a web hosting provider. So all you need is a domain name and a web hosting account for your drop servicing website. Now there are a lot of domain name and web hosting provider companies, and based on my experience I will recommend you Bluehost, and there are different reasons why I am recommending Bluehost. The first reason is they have built a solid reputation among all the hosting providers. Even Wordpress is officially recommending Bluehost for web hosting. Their prices are cheap as compared to other hosting providers. Their website uptime is 99.9%, so your website will never go down. They provide 24/7 support to their customers. They provide easy WordPress installation in just few steps. Also, you can create your domain name email address for free. They will provide you pre-SSL certificates. If you don't know SSL, so SSL is a security certificate that enable encrypted connection on your website. SSL encryption can help prevent hackers from stealing private information such as credit card numbers, bank information, names and addresses, etc. from your website. And you know that on your drop servicing website, customer will pay you on your website using their credit cards, debit cards or PayPal. So you need to have SSL certificates installed on your website, and Bluehost is providing that to you for free. So looking to all these features, I will recommend you Bluehost for web hosting. Now I will teach you how to take a domain name and hosting from Bluehost, and also I will teach you how to install WordPress on your website. So in the resources after this lecture, I will add my own reference link to Bluehost. So if you click on that link, Bluehost will provide you a 33% discount, plus they will provide you a pre.com domain name for 1 year. So after clicking on that link, you will land on this page. Now here you will click on get started, and then here on the next page you will see that Bluehost is providing you different plans like basic plan, plus, choice plus and pro plan. But I will recommend you to choose one from these two plans, the basic plan and the plus plan. If you see here, with the basic plan you can host only one website, and with the plus plan you can host unlimited website. If you want to create only a single website, then basic plan is good for you, but if you want to create multiple websites like a website for your drop servicing business and a separate website for your other businesses, or a website for blogging or e-commerce, or if you want to have multiple drop servicing website for different niches, then you can choose the plus hosting plan, because with this plan you can host unlimited website with this single account. But in the basic plan you can host only one website. So it is totally up to you which plan is best for you to choose. So for demonstration I will choose the basic plan. So I will click here on the select button. Now here you will need to choose a domain name for your website. And if you have clicked on the link that I have provided you in the resources, so you will get this domain name for free. So make sure to choose the .com TLD and then write your domain name here. So for demonstration, I will write here something like Zishan Services. And then I will click on next. Now here you can see the domain zishanservices.com is available. But in case your domain name is not available, then you will go back and you will choose a different domain name, or you will do some changes in your domain name to see if that is available or not. So in this case, this domain name is available, so I will scroll down now. Now here first you will write your first name, then you will write your last name, and the business name is optional. So it is up to you if you want to write your business name here or if you want to leave it blank. Then you will choose your country, your street address, city, state, zip code, and your phone number. And then you will write your email address here. But make sure to write your active email address here, because Bluehost will send you a confirmation email on this email address. And then if we scroll down, now here you will choose the account plan. So if I click on the drop down button, so here you can see that if you are buying this package for 12 months, so it will cost you $5.95 per month. And if you are buying this package for 24 months, then it will cost you $4.95 per month. And if you are buying it for 36 months, then it will cost you $3.95 per month. For example, if I choose basic 36 month price, so it will cost me $142 per 3 years, that is for 36 months. And you have to note here one thing, that this $142 is your total investment in this drop servicing business per 3 years. And if you got only 3 orders on your drop servicing website, so you will recover your this investment in just 3 orders. And if you want to buy this package for 1 year, so you will click on the drop down button and you will choose here 12-month price. And you can see here for 1 year it will cost you $71.40. So again you can recover your this investment with just 2 orders on your drop servicing website. And here you can see our domain name is free, and also we are getting pre-SSL certificates. Now if we scroll down, so I will uncheck these options because we don't need these services. And here you can see the total amount we are supposed to pay is $71. Now here is the payment information. So here you will provide your payment information. So if you want to pay with credit card or debit card, so you will provide your details here. But if you want to pay with PayPal, so you will click here on more payment options, and then here you will check the radio button for pay with PayPal. And after providing your payment information, you will scroll down and you will check this box to agree with the terms and condition, and then you will click on the submit button. So after clicking on the submit button, you will land on this page, and here you can see that Bluehost is saying that your purchase was successful and we sent a confirmation email to your email address. So you will receive an email from Bluehost and you would need to click on the confirmation link inside that email to confirm your email. And then you will click on create account to create an account on Bluehost. So you will click on create account button, and then here you will type your domain name. So in this case it was zishanservices.com, but in your case whatever is your domain name you will write that here, and then you will write a password and you will retype the password. Now remember that when you are logging into your Bluehost account, so your this domain name will be your username and your this password will be the password for your Bluehost account. So after providing your domain name and password, click on create account, Now here you can see your account is ready to go. Now you can go to login. So click on the go to login button, and here provide your domain name and password, and then click on login. Now here Bluehost will ask you some question for installing WordPress on your website. So you don't have to worry about this. You can write anything here because later we can change it from our WordPress dashboard. So you can write any name for your website here and write any tagline here and then click on continue. Now again check any options here and then click on continue to theme selection. Now here you can choose a theme for your WordPress website, but you can click on skip this step because we will be using a different theme for our website. So click on skip this step. Now here you will see that Bluehost is installing WordPress on your website. So it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes for installing WordPress on your website. And after this, you will be prompted to this page, and this is your Bluehost cPanel account. And here you will see a button WordPress. So clicking on this button, you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard, and maybe you will see a different button like this one, log into your WordPress dashboard. So if you click on this login to WordPress, you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now remember that there are two methods for logging into your WordPress dashboard. The first method is simply you will click here on the login to WordPress in your Bluehost cPanel account, and you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. And the second method is to open your browser and type here your website name.com /wp-admin and then press enter. So you will land on this page, and this is your WordPress login page. Now here you will write your WordPress username and password, and this username and password for your WordPress dashboard will be sent to you from Bluehost in an email. So you can copy it from there and paste it here and then click on login button. So after clicking on the login button, you will land on your WordPress dashboard. So this is your WordPress dashboard, and from here you can design and build any type of website, like a drop servicing website, a business website, a blog, or an e-commerce website, or any type of website that you want to create. So if you are new to WordPress, I will give you a brief introduction on how to use WordPress in the next lecture. Now, before we discuss how to use WordPress dashboard, I will quickly teach you how to create your own professional business email on Bluehost. So for that, type in your browser bluehost.com, and then here on the top right corner you will see the login button. So click on this. Now here you can see you have two options, hosting login and webmail login. So with the hosting login, you can log into your Bluehost account, and with the webmail login, you can log into your business email to send and receive emails on your business mail. But right now you don't have a business email, so first you need to log into your hosting account to create a business email. So click on hosting login and then type here your domain name or your email, and then type here your Bluehost account password, and then click on login button. So after logging into your Bluehost account, you will see here an option email and office. So click on this. Now here click on the manage button, and then click on the create button to create a new business email. Now here write a username for your business email, for example support@yourdomainname.com or info or affiliate or admin@yourdomainname.com, and then choose a password for your email here, and then provide a storage space here like 500 MB or 1000 MB. And if you have chosen the plus hosting plan, which provide you unlimited storage space, then you can check the radio button for unlimited, and then finally click on the create button to create your new business email. So after creating your business email, go back to bluehost.com, and here again click on the login button, and then select the radio button for webmail login, and then write here your business email, for example support@yourdomainname.com. and then type here the password which you set for your this business email. And then by clicking on the login button, you will be logged into your this business email, where you can send and receive emails on your this business email. So this is how you can create your professional business email with Bluehost.
Welcome back. Now this lecture is for those who are not familiar with WordPress dashboard. And if you are already familiar with WordPress dashboard, so you can skip this lecture. Now after you log in into your WordPress dashboard, here you will see the very first option is about updates. So from here you can update your themes, plugins and widgets. So if I click on updates, so here you will see all the available updates for your themes, plugins and widgets. So you can see here the updates for these plugins are available. Now if you want to update a plugin, so you can check the corresponding bugs for that plugin and then click on update. So here you will see the button update plugins. By clicking on this button, this plugin will be automatically updated. And then here you will see the updates available for the themes. So you can update the themes from here. Now the next option is about post. So you can view all your posts from here by clicking on all posts, and you can add a new post from here. You can create categories and tags for your post. So let's say as an example we want to create a new post. So I will click on the add new button. Now write a name for this post here. So let's say as an example I will write test, and then write the content for this post here in this section. So for demonstration I will paste some dummy text right here. And then if you want to create a category for this post, so you can click on add new category and then write a name for this category. So let's say I will write example and then click on add new category. Now this post is assigned to this example category. And if you want to add text to this post, so you can add text from here, and you can set a picture image for this post by clicking on set picture image link. So if I click on set picture image, now here you can upload files from your local computer by clicking on upload files and then select the files from your computer. And if you have already uploaded files into your library, so you can select the media library and then choose the image from here. So let's say as an example I will choose this image and then click on set picture image. So after you completely create your post, then click on the publish button here. So when you will click on this button, this post will be published on your site. Now the next option is about media. So you can add media from here like images, videos and audios into your library, and you can create a new library for your medias. The next option is about pages. So you can view all your pages that you have already created in your site, and you can create a new page by clicking on add new button. So if you want to view all your pages, so click on all pages. Now here you will see all the pages of your site. So these are the pages of our site. So from here you can edit a page, you can delete a page, and you can click on the view button to view a page. And if you want to create a new page, so you can create a new page in the same way as you create a post. Just click on add new. Now here write the name for this page, and in this section write the content for this page, and you can customize your content using this toolbar. And then after you completely create your page, click on publish button to publish this page on your site. The next option is about comments. So you can approve comments on your site from here. You can delete a comment, you can edit a comment, and you can mark a comment as spam from here. The next option is appearance. So from here you can install themes on your site, you can customize your active theme, you can add widgets, you can add menus, you can work with headers and background of your theme. And this is the active theme on our site, and you can customize a theme from the editor option. So you don't have to worry about these things. We will discuss all these things in detail during this course. The next option is about plugin. So you can view all your installed plugin from here. You can add a new plugin. So if we click on add new, now here you can upload plugins from your local computer, and you can search for new plugins here in this section, and then you can install the plugins by clicking on the install now button, and the plugin will be installed on your site, and then you can activate it. The next option is users. So from here you can view all your users, you can add a new user, and you can edit your profile from here. In the tools option you can import and export the backup of your site. In the settings tab, you can change the general setting for your site, the writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks. So let's say if I click on general tab, so here you can write a site title for your site. You can add tagline here. You can add your email address here. So these are some general settings for your site that you can do easily from here. You can change the date format, the time format, and then after you make changes, click on save changes. So there is nothing very difficult in the WordPress dashboard, and during this course you will become more familiar with the WordPress dashboard because we will be using all of these options. But for now I was just trying to give you an idea that how you can work on the WordPress dashboard.